Hi there, students. Metaphorically. Yeah, I meant that metaphorically, not literally. Okay, so metaphorically, an adverb. Metaphoric would be the verb. Let's see. A metaphor. A metaphor is when you say that something is something else. The traffic snaked homewards. Snaked. Okay, moved moved like a snake. When you use a metaphor, you're saying one thing is another. His rat smile was very disconcerting. So, metaphorically, we use this word metaphorically as the opposite of literally. Yeah, when we use our imagination to talk about things. Okay, so it's we describe something using something else that has similar characteristics. Yeah, so he's a born again Christian. Okay, well, he's not literally been born again. This is metaphorically as well. I smashed the record. Okay, I didn't literally break the record. Well, if I took an old vinyl record and I took a hammer, that would be smashing the record. That would be literally. But this is a metaphorical meaning, and there are many, many, many phrases that we use in English metaphorically. We use it with metaphorical language. Okay, for example, a divided family is a very common metaphorical way to speak about the divisions within our society. Or I like this phrase, that there is a danger that America's war on drugs turns into a bloody reality, and it is a real war. But let's see, if you're using something metaphorically, you're using it figuratively. Yeah, so when I received the news, I had won the lottery. Yeah, the news was so good. I'm saying it felt like I had won the lottery. Yeah, okay. So my dad said that when I was born, he had just won the lottery. Yeah, okay. He's saying that it was a really good thing. He'd got something that was very, very special. So it's like using an analogy. It's like something that is symbolic. Yeah, it shows that one thing. It's saying one thing is like another. That the two things are not the same. Okay, yes. Or for example, he lives next door to the hospital. Here, probably he's using this phrase next door, meaning very close. He's not literally the next door, but there is much, much, much language that we use metaphorically. Yeah, it's a broad meaning. It's not exactly that, but it's an imaginative way of describing something by referring to something else. Yeah, he is a mouse. Well, no, he's not a mouse, he's a man. But I might use that to mean he's very, very, very shy. Yeah? Or to kill two birds with one stone. Yeah? We use this to mean to do two things at the same time. But we're not talking about killing birds. Yeah? And this is the idea of metaphoric speech, or using metaphors. Yeah? Is saying things that are similar, that work in a similar way. Yeah. Okay, so this is the idea. Yeah, he's a king in the world of cookery? Well, there's only in the UK there's only one king, yeah, but here this is a metaphor. Yeah, he's a panther when he's angry. Okay, again, another metaphor. It's something with similar qualities, and that's the idea. Okay, so yeah, to speak metaphorically, to speak figuratively. This is the opposite of literally. One of the things with many of these idioms is these are metaphorical, and that's the idea. Okay, so metaphorically, metaphorical, formality. I'm speaking metaphorically. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. Um, and then I think as to origin, well, it comes clearly from the word metaphor, from Latin metaphora, which comes from ancient Greek metaphora, meaning I transfer, I apply, meta with, and phileo to carry. Okay, so to carry with or to carry across. That's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Metaphorically, metaphoric.